Yeah. Now is my time. Now is my time.
Should bring in the heat out. Feel me? Oh god, this is awkward, bro. I focus on this shit every time.
Not focusing?
Put it on manual focus because this shit wasn't getting the job done before. Okay. I see you.
Stop.
Now everybody want to have camera shot, bro.
Oh, stop. Show the shoes. Are we doing a vlog? Welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Feel me? Gotta rep the brand everywhere we go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I guess it's kind of focused now.
It looks
Dude,
focused.
this lens sucks.
This is on my good side.
Oh god, I'm sorry.
The lens doesn't suck.
Now we're on her good side.
Yes.
Hey guys, this is vlog number 1, getting the channel started.
This is Dariana.
Yeah, this is Daniel. You know me as the sneaker unboxing guy. This is my fit for today. I'm wearing Virgil Abloh's hold on 1 second.
I have to put my phone in there.
I'm wearing the Virgil Abloh off-white blazers. This is the re-release edition, the one for Halloween.
What voice are you using? I love it.
She's wearing Kanye West's Yeezy OG Wave Runners.
Yes, my feet look tiny. Tiny.
She keeps saying that. Did you put them? I think do a side-by-side comparison, or if you don't look that small in comparison.
They look kind of wide.
They look kind of wide, she said.
I think they are me.
I don't think it's true. Right now we're going to eat some sushi. But I'm not gonna bring the vlogging camera out because I look like a fucking tourist doing that.
You can take it out. I want to take it out.
Bro, you look like a tourist with this.
So, I look like a tourist.
But here, let me show you guys the view to our brand new apartment that we paid for cash after graduating college.
Oh yeah. Is our new home?
Thank you, mommy and daddy, for this wonderful view. Yeah, it's not gonna focus that great. Oh god, oh god. Sorry guys. Yeah, wonderful view. 10 out of 10. What else can we say? All right, guys.
We need a carpet.
We'll see you guys back at the sushi place. Alright guys, we're now in the elevator. This shit doesn't give you anxiety, I don't know what will. It's pretty fucking filthy. Guess nobody washes this shit. But lighting here is pretty bomb. You can see the FTP on my pants. Told you guys that wherever we go.
So you gotta show your jacket.
Oh yeah. Got the camera. Whoa, come on, bro. It's sideways for YouTube, bro. What are you doing?
Look at this place.
I mean, a nice paragraph where the heart should be. Cause pretty shitty. Oh yeah. Sorry, I gotta show him the school shooter shit.
Ooh.
Alright, elevator stop recording, bro. Alright, what's up guys?
Hi guys.
We're at what's this called again?
Good question. Royal something. Royal sushi?
Alright bro, maybe this is called Royal Sushi.
Maybe.
It's a 30-minute wait. See if I can focus up on that.
Wow, actually that looks so nice.
But yeah. Well, I'll come back to you guys once we finally get inside, if we get inside. Stay safe out there, man. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're finally in. This is the jumbo shrimp some shit. It's really good, like 10 out of 10. This is a glass of wine that I paid for. It's like $18. But try it.
It's gonna fall.
She doesn't usually eat with chopsticks, sorry guys.
Don't blame me.
Bro, pick it up.
I'm trying. Alright.
Oh, you gotta put the hooks. This is interesting. This shrimp is a lot. Oh god. Now she's nervous. Alright guys, I'll come back when the real food's here. It's just an appetizer. Alright guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but we got a beef with teriyaki sauce. So she's about to bless us with some good lighting. Oh man. It actually looks really, really good. But yeah, this is hers. I didn't get mine yet. Thank you. So I'll be back again.
I just want to show what the place looks like. Look how cute.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Alright guys, I'll probably be serving everybody with my flash, but you wouldn't see it unless the squid looks really good. And the waiter said he absolutely recommends it, so here goes nothing. The waiter took our food, like right after we finished, but finished the plate, gang. Whatever this alcoholic beverage was, it was pretty strong. But we'll update you guys if we get anything else. Alright guys, this is the last meal of the day. We ended with like a king salmon, shanga, whatever the hell. Whatever. Sorry to disrespect the culture, but I'll let you guys know how it is afterwards. Alright guys, we just left the restaurant. My rating is definitely gonna be a 10 out of 10. How about yourself?
Really, really good. I would give it like a 10. I would give it 9.5 because the guy was really slow. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a fact. He definitely sucked at his job.
But the food.
Nah, yeah.
Wait, I think this is our list.
You guys will see the majority of the videos. Food was amazing. But yeah, the ride's here, and I'm not gonna vlog in there. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side.
I just want everyone to know that I won. It was bumpers, but I still fucking won. So what do you have to say? Where'd you go? What do you have to say? Huh? What do you have to say?
Alright, what's up guys? I'm outside of the Nike 21 Mercer lab or whatever. I just picked up a Cold Wall Air Force Ones. I tried to get them on Nike sneakers because everyone was talking about they were a flop. This side and the third, they were bricks. But they sold out on Nike sneakers, so I'm about to go into the store right now and pick them up. I won't record in the store, but I'll just show when I get them in person. Time's a Cold Wall. Sorry for the mess in my car. I don't really care for it. So I don't know if people dislike the shoe so much. It's a really beautiful shoe. It's actually an everyday wear. White Air Force Ones with like this leather. I give more detailed review when I get back home or whatever. But yeah, I'm illegally parked right now, and there might be a cop looking at me, so I'm definitely gonna move my car. But definitely want to give everyone like a first review on these, even though there's a bunch on YouTube, but I don't have a plug or anything. So all right guys, we are back with day 2 of my mini vacation. Feel me? I got the heat on my feet today. Y'all know nothing about this, feel me?